Do you remember your first physiology text? Mine was AKJ. It was a much simpler time back then. You know those stories in those books? They made me fall in love with medicine. They made me want to become a doctor. I couldn't see most of the things. Most things were incomprehensible, with the lack of a better term. But those stories, they were fascinating. How red blood cells carried oxygen on the hemoglobin, how clotting worked, how liver detox, all toxin which entered our body, how kidneys functioned. Those stories were really something. One day, I had a few friends who didn't love physiology as much. Their love for anatomy was evident, was obvious. They wanted something solid, something, in front of their eyes. Those guys ended up becoming surgeons, most of those guys. While the people who fell in love with physiology, they are mostly in medical branches. But now life as a doctor is a little complicated. I seem to have lost the love for medicine in this complication, in this running around. So I'm starting this series, this physiology series, where we will revise all those stories and concepts and see how they are applicable in our medicine practice, how they can help us become a better physician. And in doing all this, I hope to, go back to those simpler times and rekindle my passion for medicine. And yours too, if you're going through the same. And please feel free to share this video with your friends so that they find the page and they can participate in this project and rekindle their love for medicine like I'm going to. Hope you have a good day.